What's up, everybody? Have a really easy recipe that only takes 3 ingredients for you today. You need a pound of pork sausage, 1 container or block of cream cheese, and a loaf of French baguette bread. Start by thinly slicing your baguette bread and start cooking your pork sausage. While the sausage is cooking, go ahead and leave your cream cheese on the countertop. That way it gets room temperature. It'll make it a lot easier to mix in with your pork sausage. For this video, I just did a half batch. So I just cooked up a half a pound of pork sausage. And as you can see, I only used half the container of cream cheese, which I'm using Philadelphia cream cheese with chives. And when it comes in the plastic tub, I think it's 7.5 ounces. I think normally if you get the block of cream cheese at the store, it's 8 ounces, but you can use either. It'll totally work either way. And you'll see once I get this totally done here that it is going to get you about 15-16 slices. So if you do a full batch with the full pound of pork sausage and the full container of cream cheese, I mean, you're going to get like probably close to 30 slices or better, which is perfect for a family. The whole family can gorge on this all morning. When the recipe was taught to me, I was just amazed to find out this was only 3 ingredients because the flavor is so complex on these. Real crowd pleaser. I thought I had like 4 or 5 different cheeses and all these other ingredients, but nope, this is it, just 3 ingredients. So I really hope you enjoy this. For the recipe name, I didn't know what the technical name for this was. I should have Googled it. I didn't want to name it like French Baguette with cream cheese and sausage. I was talking to my wife and I'm like, I don't know what to name this recipe. And she suggested Breakfast Delight. And I can't guarantee this, but if you make this recipe for your wife or your significant other, you might get lucky. Go ahead and bake this at 350 degrees for 6 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and place this on the plate here and then garnish with some parsley, which is unnecessary, but why not charm it up for the video, right? Anyway, everybody, I hope you have a great day. Bye.